This video now is just a short message for Iwuanyanwu. I'm just preparing to go out now, and I got a special message about Iwuanyanwu. I just want to inform people, if you know Chief Iwuanyanwu in Imo State, if he's your friend of your dad, if you can be able to talk to him in any way. Good afternoon, my brother Ifeanyi. God bless you. Please send a special message to Mr. Iwuanyanwu or Chief Iwuanyanwu. Let him stop whitewashing our agitation. Let him stop to translate to Nigerians the meaning of the Biafran agitation. His message to Nigeria, or all the blah 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 he's talking, telling Nigerian government to release Nnamdi Kalu and twisting his English and whatever. Tell Mr. Iwuanyanwu that I just received his telephone call that he spoke with the spokesperson of President, all the calls he made before he went to that occasion. We have the transcript of that call where he made them to understand. Let me give you a small hint that his speech today is not going against the government of Buhari. Iwuanyanwu, we have your file. Please keep off, or we publish everything for the whole world to see it. We are not joking. We are not playing. And stop whitewashing our agitation. We are fighting to liberate and to push Nigeria out of Biafra land. You twisting your English on the reason why the agitation is going on is none of your business. Nobody invites you. We don't need you. We doesn't need your advice. We doesn't need your translator. We doesn't need you to represent us in any angle. Please keep off, or your data, everything about you got to be published. If you doesn't want to kill your career in Imo State, please keep off and keep on eating the Nigerian money. We doesn't need you, we doesn't want you, and we will never need you. Anything that will make Iwuanyanwu to help us as freedom fighters to pull out of Nigeria, I say God will rebuke Iwuanyanwu out of it. He will not be a member. He's a full saboteur. Every transcript of his telephone call before he went to that occasion, we have it. These guys are a bunch of criminals trying to use your brain. All of them, they think no good about you. Thank God that we have started receiving their telephone conversation. And we will use it against them if they don't want to get out of our way. Thank you and God bless you. That's a special message for Iwuanyanwu. I am from Imo State. I'm the one telling him the truth. I have his telephone conversation that he had before he went to that occasion. Call him and he will ask you, how did you get that telephone transcript? Keep off. Stay away from Biafra agitation. Stop whitewashing whatever we are doing. We are not joking. God bless my people and God bless me too. Remain blessed.